In 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just transforming industries, it's birthing the next generation of tech giants. From automating complex workflows to revolutionizing personalized healthcare and financial forecasting, a handful of ambitious AI startups are standing out from the crowd. These companies aren't just creating tools, they are reshaping the future. In this video, we're diving into the top 3 AI startups you must watch in 2025, because betting on them now might just be like spotting Google or OpenAI in their early days. Today we will talk about top 3 AI startups to watch in 2025. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hypocratic AI, revolutionizing healthcare with safety-first generative AI. One of the most significant and potentially transformative AI startups in 2025 is Hypocratic AI, based in California. This company emerged in 2023 but has exploded in relevance throughout 2024 and 2025 due to its unique mission to bring safety-focused generative AI into the healthcare system. Hypocratic AI is pioneering a category of large language models, LLMs, purpose-built for healthcare, prioritizing safety, accuracy, and empathy over speed or novelty. Its founders include veterans from Amazon Web Services, Google Health, and top academic institutions, giving the startup a rare blend of industry and clinical expertise. What sets Hypocratic AI apart is its do-no-harm approach to generative AI. Rather than chasing the flashiest applications, the company is focused on AI use cases where lives are on the line, such as patient interaction, post-discharge care instructions, and chronic disease management. In 2025, the company's AI model underwent rigorous clinical trials to ensure it meets or exceeds the safety standards of human professionals in specific tasks. A key aspect of their model is the integration of real-time conversational abilities with a deep understanding of medical ethics, diagnostics, and language personalization. It's being positioned not to replace doctors, but to fill the global shortage of nurses and patient navigators, particularly in underserved regions. Their technology helps reduce healthcare costs, minimize hospital readmission rates, and improve patient satisfaction, critical metrics for the future of digital health. By May 2025, Hypocratic AI had secured over $100 million in Series B funding led by General Catalyst and Andreessen Horowitz, and has already partnered with leading U.S. hospitals. With HIPAA-compliant architecture and a growing team of medical advisors, Hypocratic AI is poised to redefine trust and safety in AI-powered healthcare. Mindrove, the Indian startup building AI chips for the next billion. While much of the AI startup spotlight focuses on the US and China, India's Mindrove is quietly making global waves in 2025 as a semiconductor AI hardware disruptor. Founded in 2022 by alumni from IIT Madras, Mindrove's mission is to democratize access to edge AI computing by producing cost-effective, energy-efficient AI chips that can power everything from smart city infrastructure to low-cost consumer electronics. Mindrove became the first Indian startup to design and commercialize RISC-V-based AI SoCs, system on chips, that rival performance of chips from NVIDIA and Qualcomm at a fraction of the cost. In a world increasingly leaning on AI at the edge to reduce latency, preserve privacy, and operate without internet dependence, Mindrove's chips are enabling a new generation of offline-capable smart devices for healthcare, agriculture, and education. Their flagship product, MG1 Falcon, launched in Q1 of 2025, is an AI inference chip tailored for high-speed object recognition, natural language processing, and real-time sensor fusion. It is already being adopted by drone manufacturers, wearable tech firms, and IoT solution providers across Southeast Asia and Africa. What makes Mindrove exceptionally important is not just its technology, but its focus on open-source architectures and affordability. This aligns with the needs of emerging economies and the broader tech for good movement. The startup's approach has drawn international attention, earning investment from Sequoia India, the Indian Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MITI, and several U.S. venture firms. Mindrove is also contributing to India's strategic ambitions to become self-reliant in chip manufacturing, as it partners with local fabs and is laying the groundwork for domestic production. In a global landscape increasingly shaped by chip geopolitics, Mindrove is not just an AI startup, it is a national strategic asset. Its role in enabling edge AI for the next billion users makes it one of the most exciting startups to watch this year. Synthmines AI, generative agents for enterprise automation. 2025 is witnessing an enterprise revolution driven by synthetic employees. AI agents capable of executing multi-step tasks that previously required full-time workers. At the center of this movement is Synthmines AI, a San Francisco-based startup that builds autonomous generative AI agents for enterprises. Synthmines is not just another LLM wrapper. It is a platform that allows businesses to train domain-specific agents that can execute complex, multimodal workflows such as legal research, customer onboarding, financial auditing, and document synthesis. The core of Synthmines' innovation is the creation of persistent, memory-driven AI personas that can operate independently with minimal human supervision. Unlike traditional chatbots or scripted automation tools, Synthmines agents learn from previous interactions, store contextual information, and even initiate actions based on triggers, essentially functioning like junior analysts or coordinators across departments. These agents are integrated into tools like Slack, Salesforce, Notion, and Google Workspace, making it frictionless for companies to deploy and scale. Early adopters in fintech and legal tech are using Synthmines to reduce labor costs by up to 60% and to slash the average time for document review from weeks to hours. Synthmines uses an ensemble of open-source LLMs, proprietary retrieval models, and guardrails to ensure outputs are accurate, auditable, and compliant with regulatory standards. In 2025, Synthmines closed a $75 million series, a round led by Axel and Lightspeed venture partners, with participation from enterprise clients who are already seeing ROI. One of the company's unique offerings is its Agent Academy, a low-code training interface where non-technical staff can teach AI agents using examples, documents, and decision trees. As the global workforce shifts toward AI-augmented productivity, Synthmines is creating a blueprint for how white-collar work will be reimagined in the coming decade. With automation no longer limited to factories but now entering boardrooms and law offices, Synthmines agents are ushering in a new age of hybrid human-machine teams. Why these startups matter for the future of AI? These three startups, Hypocratic AI, Mindrove, and Synthmines, represent distinct but complementary directions in AI innovation: safety in sensitive sectors, democratization of access through hardware, and reimagining human labor through autonomous agents. They reflect the broader macro trends of 2025, the convergence of AI with healthcare, edge computing, and enterprise automation. More importantly, they are building AI with real-world usability, ethical alignment, and commercial viability. Their rise also signals a shift in investment patterns. VCs are moving beyond hype and into domain-specific AI solutions, backing startups that solve specific pain points with measurable outcomes. Moreover, public demand for transparency and trust in AI systems has never been higher. These startups are at the vanguard of meeting that challenge. With each passing year, the distinction between AI startups and mainstream tech giants continues to blur. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.